welcomes you to Drizzle the Happiness. Do you believe a small chocolate story and the oil price war between Saudi Arabia and Russia has got a connect? It's tough to believe, but that's a fact. Let's see how that is connected through a small story. A father has two kids, Kid A and Kid B. The father decides to give two chocolates each. The father said the kids, I am going outside now. Both do not make any mischief in the house until I return. The father went to the shop, bought 10 chocolates, and he returned home. When he returns home, he found both the kids played together and broke the TV. The father inquired who did this, and the frightened kids were afraid and they remained silent. The father now decides, okay, let me give an offer to the kids, and then he elaborated his condition. The condition number one, confess. Who confess the offensive act will be given 10 beatings and the other one will get 10 chocolates. Condition number 2. If both don't confess, both will be given 5 chocolates and 5 beatings. If both accuse each other, each will be given 10 beatings but no chocolates to either. The father concluded the condition with this. The kids were totally confused and they do not know which option to be chosen. The kid A thinks, if I confess that kid B did this offense, I might get 10 chocolates and he get 10 beatings. Now kid B thinks, if I say kid A did this offense, kid A will get 10 beatings and I will get 10 chocolates. Now the confusion starts here for both the kids. What if kid A accuse me and if kid B accuse kid A? This is the confusion. If this happens, both the kids will get 10 beating. So kids think this is not the right option. The next option is, if both don't confess, then the kids will get 5 chocolates and 5 beatings. So both the kids decide, instead of the other two option, this option seemed to be right. So they decide this option and they were not opening their mouth. The father decides to give 5 chocolates and 5 beatings now. This decision is being made by all the companies to make their effective competition and the pricing strategy. Let's see how this is done. Now, both the kids decide to choose the best option without damages to each other, but both has to be benefited. The kids are deciding this option without knowing the other is also choosing the same option. This is the key of this concept. The same strategy is being applied by all the companies in their marketing and pricing strategy. Now, we will apply this into economics and see how companies gets benefited out of this. We already discussed in the other episode of Thural in the Tamil version how the oil war started. The oil war is between the OPEC countries and the Russia. Saudi Arabia request Russia, please control your production of oil because the price is going down continuously as the supply exceeds the demand. We are also reducing our oil production in the OPEC countries, so please support us. Russia denies the request and say that I will continue the production no matter what. This action of Russia has created excess supply than demand and they were storing the oil wherever possible. This triggered the oil war. As both the countries has excess supply than the demand in the world, Saudi Arabia decides to cut the price of the oil. As Saudi Arabia reduced the price to attract customers of the world, Russia decides to cut the price to attract the other countries of the world. As both fight each other in the price competition and took the price to negative. At one stage, the price went to negative, which means the countries are ready to pay the customers to take the oil from them as they were not able to store elsewhere. Now, Russia, who was stubborn in the beginning that I cannot reduce my production, came into the same situation of not able to put the oil anywhere else. Now, Russia says the OPEC countries I will also reduce my production so that the oil price will be managed better and we will be benefited. After this, the oil price started increase slowly and the stock market reacted immediately and the price went up. Now, this situation is called and this point is called Nash equilibrium, where both the countries come to a common point to make profit in that point without much damages to each other. The same applies when Amazon and Flipkart plan for the Great Indian Festival and the Big Billion Days. Both the companies will announce this particular sale in a particular month during the same period. The reason is, let's assume Amazon releases this great grand festival sale in the month of January 1st to 10th, and Flipkart released the Big Billion Day sale from February 1st to 10th. Now, the people will buy all the discounted products in Amazon from January 1st to 10th, wherein for Flipkart from 1st to 10th the customers will be very less. To control the situation and to take the maximum benefit without the damages for both, they both decide to put the sale in the same period so that each will be getting equal customers or better profit for both of them. The same you will come across when you travel in highway. You will be very hungry, you will not find one restaurant and you will find all restaurants lined up in a particular area. You may get frustrated, why not one restaurant or two restaurants can be in between the highways, so in between the cities. The answer is the same Nash equilibrium coming to the picture. Now let's assume one shop or one restaurant is in between the cities and the other are lined up in a particular area. Now the car which travels from the other side of it will be able to go to the shop which is in between the city, wherein the shops which are lined up will get customers from both the sides so that their profit is distributed equally. The same concept even applies for petrol pump also. This point is called Nash equilibrium. Tural drizzles every day. Let's meet in the next episode.